Good morning, this is Lego set 21358, the Lego MiniFig Vending Machine. Set contained 1,343 pieces. This is part 3. Bag 8, we're finishing up the base of the model, adding the sides and front pieces. 3 of the sides are identical. You'll see me go through them pretty fast here. Bag 9 starts off with the pirate minifig. We'll finish off the front face with 2 covers, the left and right of the dispensing mechanism. The rest of bag 9 is finishing off the cap of the base of the vending machine. Bag 10, we start off with the Elephant Man and a astronaut minifigs. Bag 10, we build the tank and load all the minifig balls in. Here's where I ran into some issues filming. The camera was not zoomed out far enough and too close to the work surface. So you're going to miss out on a few of the finishing touches of the tank. Put together the agitator, or whatever you want to call it, that rotates the balls around, keep them from getting stuck. And here I am testing it one more time, making sure everything works like it's supposed to. The final minifig is my best guess, a school teacher holding a brick house and a train. Bag 11 is the top of the vending machine. Came out really nice, tied everything together. Here I am just finishing up the model. Don't forget to smash that like button and hype this video. We'll catch you next time.